Hello friends, this is Simran and today we are going to make Kashmiri Pulao. This recipe is so rich with ingredients like saffron milk, fruits, dry fruits and nuts. I have a Kashmiri friend Farooq and they had invited me for dinner at their place and their nani had made this recipe and I got this recipe specially for you. So let's see how it is made. चलो let's start. सबसे पहले गैस ऑन करेंगे. Now let this heat. We'll add ghee. And now once the ghee is hot, we'll add all the whole spices. Star anise, cloves, followed by cinnamon and green cardamom. Now let's lightly roast them until you can smell the aroma of the spices. Now this is done, we'll add rice. So I have soaked the rice here for 30 minutes. Let's add it. And now goes in the saffron milk. It is important to soak the rice because it reduces the cooking time and also वो दाने जो है वो खिले खिले और लंबे होते हैं. So now we'll add water. So यहाँ पे हमने 1 cup rice use किया है. So double the quantity of water. Now I'll add little bit of salt just to enhance the flavor. The rice is cooked. Stir it gently or else the rice may break. And now we'll keep this aside. And now we'll start with frying the nuts. Add some ghee. Ghee is hot. It's time to add the nuts. Almond and cashew nuts. So these are fried. I'll add them in the rice. And now let's fry the raisins. Let's add this as well. And now we'll add fried onions on top of this, along with pomegranate and pineapple. Last, we'll add cumin powder too. Gently mix everything well. Wonderful, this is ready. Let's start with the plating. When I had this at Farooq's place, they served it with freshly cooked meat. You can also have it with vegetables or as it is. It tastes amazing. Let's garnish it with some pomegranate. Perfect, Kashmiri Pulao is ready, and when you serve this with meat curry, it is a perfect combination of sweet and spicy. I would like to thank Farooq's Nani for this recipe, and do try this recipe. Let me know how did you like it.